Hello dear techies, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. The launch event of the iPhone 13 lineup is right around the corner. It will be launched in somewhere mid in the September. It's more probably it will launch on September 17 to between September 22. Let's see when the iPhone releases its iPhone 13 lineup. Here we have got some last minute leak of upcoming iPhone. The upcoming iPhone will be called as iPhone 13. Yeah, you heard that. It will be called iPhone 13, not 12s. And we have got some bad news related upcoming iPhone 13. It will be more expensive than the last year's iPhone 12. The TSMC has released a report that there is shortage of chip, so the upcoming iPhone 13 will be more expensive than the last year iPhone 12. Let's wait and see the topmost variant of iPhone 13, how much it will cost. If you have enjoyed watching this short and sweet video, give us thumbs up. If you wanna catch our video earlier, do consider subscribe. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.